How to hide albums on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to hide albums on your iPhone. Let's begin by going to Photos. From here, you should see My Albums, People and Places, Media Types, and Utilities. Well, let's go back to My Albums. You can swipe to the left to find the album you want to hide, or you can also click on See All. And from here, let's pretend we want to hide the album with 10 pictures. The thing is, you can't really hide this entire album by doing a long press. So you would want to open this album by clicking on it. And from here, let's first try to hide just one picture from this album. Maybe this one. Now that this photo is up, you should see 3 dots on the right top corner of the screen. Once you select that, you will see Copy, Duplicate, and Hide. We have to click on Hide. And just confirm we want to hide the photo. And that's it. That photo is gone. But what if you want to hide all the pictures from this album? That's easy. You can just click on Select, also located at the right top corner of the screen, and click Select All. And now we have to find the 3 dots. It is now located at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's click on that and select Hide. Just confirm you want to hide all the photos you selected. And there you have it. They are all gone from this album as well. But where should you find them? Well, let's go back to where we were at, My Albums, and scroll all the way down to Utilities. Under Utilities are built-in albums like Imports, Duplicates, Hidden, and Recently Deleted. Of course, we want to go to Hidden. In order to access this, you need your Face ID or passcode. And as you can see, all the pictures we hid are found right here. And that's how simple you can hide all the pictures from an album on iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe leave a comment as well. See ya!